How to join Notion affiliate program. Want to earn by promoting Notion? Let's break down the Notion affiliate program step by step. The Notion affiliate program lets you earn rewards when people sign up using your referral link. It's managed through PartnerStack, a platform for affiliate tracking. So you can earn up to $50 for each activated sign up, plus 20% of the first year's revenue from your referrals. Tracking lasts for 180 days, giving you a long window to earn. Normally, you apply through Notion's affiliate page on Partner Stock. Fill out your details, explain how you promote Notion, and wait for approval. Once accepted, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. So, you need to share your affiliate link on blogs, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. PartnerStack tracks collect signups and commissions so you can monitor your earnings. Right now, new applications are paused. Existing affiliates can still log in and manage accounts, so keep an eye out on Notion's affiliate page for updates when it reopens. And that is how to join Notion affiliate program.